but can handle the present. I don't even wanna bring up the past. That shit was a lesson, and I learned my lesson. I'm tired of stressing. Mama said you were no good, and I was a blessing.
What's up, guys? It's Ari, and I'm back on another video. Back. And today I am here with a hair collaboration with Luvme Hair. And y'all, this wig came out so beautiful. I really loved it so much. It's super soft, full. The length is everything, and then the little streaks of the red is definitely giving 10 out of 10. You guys already know what to do. If you would like to see how I achieve this bomb no baby hair look, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Look at her.
Laces. It's a 5x5 HD, and it's so bomb. All I did was tint it, and I didn't even really need to. I just like a more seamless look. Look how good that looks. Bomb. This wig is glueless and it's super easy to put on. You know, we're gonna do all of the steps in the video right now, so let's go ahead and get right into the video.
Look at her, mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I can lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, girl, I know you feel me. Yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, I know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And you to get up. Lately I've been a little foul, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time.
Guys, I wanted you to know that they cut this hair so perfectly and made the length so perfect. Like, once you start curling it and stuff like that, like, the layers are just gonna be so bomb, and then when you comb it out, it's just gonna flow and be so flowy. But you guys will see that in the next couple of clips.
I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. Try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend.
Thank you, babe, so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure you guys check the description box below. This wig was absolutely 10 out of 10. The HD lace is bomb. It's literally seamless. Like, you literally can come close and you cannot see the knots or anything. Like, it's just so bomb. Oh my god, they have been sending some really great wigs lately, and I'm just like so stoked. So yeah, guys, this is the loose wave texture. It's a 5x5 wig. Super easy to maintain, super easy to mail. All I did was use my spray, as you guys saw in the video. It just was so easy. Like, I probably did this in like maybe 20 minutes or less. It just was so easy. It was literally a breeze. I'm talking about the knots were already bleached, plucked, everything like that. Today I didn't want to do baby hairs because I'm always doing baby hairs, and I'm like, let me really see what this wig is about. And it's definitely giving scalp without even baby hair, so I'm definitely loving it, and it's definitely a 10 out of 10. So make sure you guys check the description box below. I love you guys. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Mwah.